Because I do not play with the gospel. I never see where God plays with the gospel. And I discover a lot of narrow-gate pastors. There are a bunch of jokers. They're doing their own thing. And you know when I get on the case, I'm not playing with anyone. I do not play with even Amen, not to even mention other people. I don't even play with Amen. And if you need to know, ask this woman, ask my wife, ask my kids, if I do play with myself. I do not play with myself in the gospel, not to even mention about other people. And I regret it when people say they love me. I don't know who you love. If it's the gospel in me or it's me that you love me. If you love me, you love me the wrong way. You hear me, Dr. Lindsay? Find a way to hate me and love the gospel inside of me. If somebody chooses to love me, you love me the wrong way. You love, turn around, you love me a lot. Papi, my love. They don't make me walk. Even those kids, I said, try not to love me too much. Try not to love me because look at the type of dad. I never let you pass. This is the gospel. You have to pass with the gospel. And I see pastors allow their kids to pass with feelings. But no, I have to let you go with the gospel. Do you agree with this? And we're in love. We're in love.
We make love together.
Yes. I have 6 children since they were little. Biologically.
Kids.
Since they were kids. And they did not get older yet. They know that I was pronouncing on them for them to be dead and go away from me in heaven. Instead of not doing the gospel, go die and wait for me in heaven. All of other parents can do whatever they want with their kids. But my biological kids, I pronounce death upon them. And go wait for me in heaven. Not in hell. And I ask all parents who have eyes from the gospel preaching today, pronounce on your children, live for the gospel, die for the gospel. That's how I know it. That's how I know it. Live for the gospel. Die for the gospel. While they were in middle school, it's the gospel first. High school, the gospel first. In the university, gospel first. You have title, you have engineer title, lawyer, whatever it is, the gospel first. That's how the gospel is. How are you listening? Until now, this is how I preach the gospel in the world.
L'évangile premier, récit bon côté,
l'évangile premier.
Docteur Lindsay, oui, pas de problème à Docteur Lindsay, mais l'évangile d'abord. Docteur Charlson, pas de problème à Docteur Charlson. L'évangile d'abord. Professeur, théologien,
theologian.
Pas de problème à ça. Mais l'évangile d'abord, ingénieur Daniel. L'ingénieur pasteur, mais l'évangile d'abord. L'évangile propre, l'évangile clair. Attendez l'église à répondre.
I do not hear the church.
I
finally get stuck in your tongue, in your throat. You have to convert.